Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat AI something went wrong. So guys, if you want to use AI in Snapchat and facing any kind of issue that AI not working or something went wrong, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys secondly you need to scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to find Snapchat. So guys, after finding it, you need to offload app, click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, third is you need to open your app store here, and guys here you need to search Snapchat. And guys, after searching, simply you need to update your Snapchat. If not updated, as you can see here, simply you need to update your Snapchat. And guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.